Question. Find the sum to n terms of the AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. एक समांतर श्रेणी के n पदों को योगफल ज्ञात करना है जिसका kवां पद 5k plus 1 है. It is given that kth term is 5k plus 1. Putting k is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. T1 is equal to 5 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 6. Put k is equal to 2. T2 second term is equal to 5 into 2 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Put k is equal to 3. T3 is equal to 5 into 3 plus 1. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. Put k is equal to 4. T4 fourth term is equal to 5 into 4 plus 1. 20 plus 1, 21. Then AP is 6, 11, 16, 21 and so on. We have to find sum of n terms. Here first term A is equal to 6. Common difference D is equal to 11 minus 6, 5. Sum to n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, n by 2. The value of a is 6, value of d is 5, 12 plus 5n minus 5, n by 2, 5n plus 7, 12 minus 5 is 7. Answer. Question. If the sum of n terms of an AP is Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constants, find the common difference. किसी समांतर श्रेणी के n पदों के योगफल Pn plus Qn स्क्वायर है जहाँ पर P Q कांस्टेंट है, तो हमें कॉमन डिफरेंस D फाइंड करना है. Sum of n terms equal to Pn plus Qn square. Given. Sn is equal to Pn plus Qn square. Put n is equal to 1. S1 is equal to P into 1 plus Q 1 square is equal to P plus Q. Number 1. Put n is equal to 2. S2 is equal to P into 2 plus Q 2 square is equal to 2P plus 4Q. Number 2. Put n is equal to 3. S3 sum of 3 terms is equal to P into 3 plus Q into 3 square. Is equal to 3P plus 9Q. Number 3. Put n is equal to 4. S4 is equal to 4P plus 4 square into Q, 16Q. Now first term T1 is equal to S1 is equal to P plus Q. Second term T2. T2 is equal to S2 minus S1 because AP is T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on. Sum of one term is first term P plus Q. Sum of two terms S2 is equal to 2P plus 4Q. Therefore, second term is equal to S2 minus S1. This is S1 and sum of two terms S2. Sum of three terms S3. Third term T3 is equal to sum of three terms minus sum of two terms S3 minus S2. S2 minus S1 2P plus 4Q minus P plus Q is equal to 2P minus P 4Q minus Q 3Q. Putting the value of S3 and S2 from 2 and 3, 3P plus 9Q minus 2P plus 4Q is equal to 3P minus 2P P, 9Q minus 4Q 5Q. We have to find common difference. Common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 is P plus 3Q minus P plus Q. P plus 3Q minus P minus Q. P minus P cancel 2Q. Answer. Question. The sums of n terms of two arithmetic progression are in the ratio 5n plus 4 ratio 9n plus 6. Find the ratio of their 18th terms. दो समांतर श्रेणियों के n पदों के योगफलों का अनुपात 5n प्लस 4 अनुपात 9n प्लस 6 हैं। उनके 18वें पदों का अनुपात ज्ञात करना है। लेट फर्स्ट टर्म्स ऑफ two APs are A and A2. Common differences are D1, D2. S sum of their n terms are S and S dash. Respectively. Then Sn sum of n terms of first AP is equal to n by 2 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1. Sum of n terms of second AP S dash n equal to n by 2 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. As per question, Sn upon S dash n is equal to 5n plus 4 ratio 9n plus 6. Sn upon S dash n equal to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. Putting the value of Sn and S dash n, n by 2 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 upon n by 2 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. is equal to 5n plus 4, 9n plus 6, n by 2 cancel, 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 upon 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. Dividing numerator and denominator by 2. a1 plus n minus 1 by 2 d1 upon 2 से डिवाइड करने पर a2 प्लस n minus 1 by 2 d2. We have to find the ratio of their 18th term. T18 upon T dash 18 or T18 means A1 plus 17 D1, A2 plus 18th term of second AP, A2 plus 18 minus 1 17 D2. Comparing left hand sides of 1 and 2, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 17. N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 17, or n minus 1 is equal to 34, or n is equal to 35. Put n is equal to 35 in 1. (179 upon 321). Answer: T18 ratio T dash 18 is equal to 179 ratio 321.